Good morning. My name is Arshdeep Singh and I am from Amritsar. I am pursuing my BTech from CGC Landran and I've just completed my second year. I am now going to fifth sem. Earlier I pursued my C and core Java after plus 2 from EME Technologies. That was really good experience for me and I was I gained much of knowledge from here, and as it was a bit very starting for me in this computer line, and it was very helpful for me. And the way sir taught us and the way teachers helped me to gain all the knowledge, that was pretty good. And due to my that experience, I again opted EME Technologies for 45 days training for Python, and now I'm pursuing now Python from near about 4 weeks, and it's been really good experience for me. And teachers helped me a lot. The teachers over here are very professional and help me in every guy very willingly, and they're very helpful in nature. And thank you. I suggest everyone to join here. It's really good atmosphere of learning. Thank you.